Hi, welcome to another session in this Excel series. Today we are going to be looking at how we can import text files into our worksheet. So we are going to be looking at three types of text files today, and we will see how we can go around them. But before we import, let us see how these text files looks like before we import them. So follow me and let's see where I store them. The first one is CSV data. So comma separated values. Let us see how it looks. So you can see that the values are separated by comma. You can see the comma here and all around. So we cannot analyze this data like this. We have to import it into our tool. In this case, Microsoft Excel. The other one I want to show us is this particular file, which is semicolon separated file. So let us see how it looks. You can see semicolon, semicolon, semicolon. So this is a semicolon separated values. So this is the second one we are going to be importing. Then let us look at the third one, which is the tab separated values. So you can see the tab, the tab here, the tab here. So this is also another form of text data, and we have to import them before we can use them. So let us go back to our spreadsheet and see how we can do that. When we want to do this, we go to the data tab and then we go to this area. So you can see get data. So if we click on it from file, so you can see how we can import from other sources, but this one is a file. So from file and then from text slash CSV. So we click on this. So the files are located in my download section, and then I will text here. So let us import the CSV file first. So CSV, so this is the file name, and then open. So we allow Excel to import the data and we follow it. So it has given us a preview. So you can see the limiter here is a comma separated value. Assuming we want to go for something else, we can click on them, but this is comma, and Excel has been able to guess right. And here, this is based on the first 200 rows. So this is a preview to let us see if the data is loaded appropriately. And if you can see here, it is loaded appropriately. So we load it. And if you look here, you see that this data is loaded in form of a table. So I will close that place and you see that this is now a table. So if you want to work directly inside a table like this, you just continue your data analysis and transformation. However, if you want to convert it to a range, we go by going to table design. You can see convert to range. You click on it and then you click OK. So this has been converted to a range, but these colors are still there. If we want to remove these colors, we just go to, we highlight everything and then we come to cell styles and then we click on normal, and then here we are. So we have successfully imported a CSV file or data into Excel. So let us try the same thing for the other two types of files. So let's go back, data. So we can also click here from text CSV here, and then This time around, let's look at the semicolon file. So this is it, and then open. So you can see that the delimiter now is semicolon. So Excel has been able to guess right. If Excel guesses wrong, then we can just click here and choose whatever we want. So it's semicolon, we put it there, and then we load the data. So you can close this place and you can see that this has been imported as a normal Excel sheet. So this is how we can import different type of files or text files into our Excel worksheet. So let us quickly look at the third, which is the tab separated file. So let's go to data, get data from file, text file, and this time we are looking at the tab. So tab separated data, and then the same procedure, you can see the limiter here is tab, and then we load, and then we have our data set. So this is how it is done. This is because over time, when they want to send a data set to you, you might be receiving them in this form of text files, TSV, CSV, SSV, and so on. You must be able to import them into your Excel worksheet. Thank you very much until we meet in the next one.